All right, this video is how to use your Canon as a level, or how to make sure that your Canon is on a level when you're shooting a photo. This is for the Canon EOS 80D SLR camera. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna come back here and make sure that it's turned on. Then you're gonna go click on info once. It's gonna bring up this page, and you're gonna click again, and there's your level. So if I tilt it, there I'm level. So when you're setting up your camera, you can make sure that you've got a level shot like this. And maybe if you're doing some construction work, you can check and see if your picture's level. But that's how you do it. Let me go to click out. So click out again, so we're blank. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and then I get to the level. Out. Let me show you again. Ready? 1, 2, 2. There we are, level. Let me click out again just to show you. So when you open your camera up, you go once on the info, and then again on the info, and then you get your level. And that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use your Canon 80D camera. Peace out.